Let us proceed now to example number 2 under the shear stress in beams. Two W310 by 74 steel wide flange beams are bolted together to form a built-up beam as shown in the figure. Given are the properties of the W310 by 74, which are the area, depth, and the moment of inertia. First, determine the moment of inertia of the built-up beam. Second is to determine the maximum bolt spacing if the shear force V is equal to 80 kN and the allowable load in shear on each bolt is 13.5 kN. Okay? So let us solve now. Ang unang tinatanong lang sa atin is the moment of inertia of the built-up beam. So kung papansinin natin, pinagpatong lang na dalawang wide flange. Tama? Okay. So, for our moment of inertia, ano lang ba yung formula natin dito? 'Di ba? Ang formula lang naman natin dyan is to use IGX is equal to the summation of IX plus AD squared. Okay. So, IX, sa taas muna tayo. Ano yung IX natin? That is 163 times 10 raised to 6 mm to the fourth. And then, plus natin, ano yung area? Given sa atin is 9,420 mm squared. At ano yung magiging D? So, syempre, kung titignan natin kasi, since this is just two wide flange, so therefore, saan malolocate yung kanyang neutral axis? The neutral axis is just located as well sa gitna niya. Tama? So, kahit anong kuhanin natin dyan, gamitin natin yung Varignon's theorem, yun lang din makukuha natin. Okay? So, with this, if this is your neutral axis for your built-up section, asan yung neutral axis naman pagdating doon sa may, or the center of the wide flange? So, nasa gitna lang din siya, di ba? And wala na tayong problema kasi given na rin sa atin yung naging center niya, which is 155 mm. Okay, so that is 155 mm. So, ibig sabihin, our D will be equal daw kay 155 mm. And then, square. Okay, ngayon, doon naman tayo sa pangalawa. Eh, di ba same lang naman sila? So, gawin na lang natin is to multiply it by 2. So, makukuha natin ngayon, value ni IGX is just equal to 778.631 times 10 raised to 6 mm to the fourth. And that is now your final answer. Okay, ma'am, bakit hindi natin kuhanan si IGY? Eh, kasi si IGY actually, hindi naman din natin magagamit. Okay, and then, di ba times 2 lang naman siya kasi wala ka namang magiging D. Okay? Next natin is, we are asked to solve for the bolt spacing. So, for our bolt spacing, ano ba yung formula ni bolt spacing? That is, S is equal to Ri over VQ. May R na ba tayo? Okay. O, balikan natin yung situation. Ang sabi sa atin, the allowable load on shear of each bolt is 13.5 kilonewton. Eh, di ba sabi natin that R is the shear force to be resisted of the bolt. So, ibig sabihin, yun na yun. But, take note, each bolt. Okay? So, pang-isa pa lang yan. Eh, ilan ba bolts natin? We have 2. Okay? So, ibig sabihin pala, R is equal to, dalawang piraso daw ng 13.5 kilonewton. And that is equal to 27 kilonewton. Very good. Okay. So, meron na tayong R. What about naman si Q? Eh, di ba si Q daw ay, that is just equal to the summation of AY. But take note, again, that is just upper or lower part of the neutral axis. So, kung isa lang, sa taas lang tayo, kuhanin natin yung area ng ating wide flange, that is 9,420 And ano yung y niya? Again, that is 155. Okay? So, syempre, isa lang. Hindi natin times 2 na yan. Kasi nga po, kailangan lang natin is above or below the neutral axis. And the value of Q here now will be equal to 1,460,100 mm cubed. So with that, let us now proceed in solving for the spacing. So, sabi natin, R is equal to 27 kilonewton. No need na i-multiply pa kay times 10 raised to 3. Okay, wag na natin convert kay Newton. Then, ang I natin, again, ang I natin will be, syempre, yung built up na. Okay, ito naman na. Gagamitin natin yung nakuha natin. That is 778.631 times 10 raised to 6 mm to the fourth. Then we divide it by, ano si V? Given si V, di ba? Sabi sa atin that shear force V is equal to 80 kilonewton. And ano naman si Q? Yung nakuha natin na 1,460,100 mm cube. So, kung titingnan natin, yung ating mga units, meron tayong kilonewton sa taas, kilonewton sa baba. We have mm to the fourth sa taas, mm cube naman. So, bawasan lang natin ng tatlo na sa taas. Ang matitira is in mm. So, solving this, the value of spacing will be equal to 179.979 mm. But take note that we are talking about the bolt spacing. Okay? And in this case, the bolt spacing should be round down. Okay, round down to the nearest tens. Siya na nang malayo kapag hundreds tayo. Okay? So, if this is the case, then S is approximately 170 mm. Okay, and this is now your final answer.